everyone, welcome to Marcello Giorgi's YouTube channel, where he shares his knowledge of sculpting with you. If you like what you see and you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. Hi Marcello.
Hi Natalie. Hi everyone.
We'll speak a little bit about portraiture. You've been making portraits for a really long time, haven't you?
Yes, I've been making portrait all my life. I can say portrait was my first love in art.
We're fortunate enough to have Marcello's most recent portrait here with us. Guess who? Would you like to say a little something about this portrait?
Yes. One of the main points when you make a portrait is be able to get the personality of our model. So I focused a lot about the research of the personality, and this is one of the main points that I face during my classes. Another point that is so important and often is just considered like a decoration is the hair. When you make the hair, you have to think about it like a volume. Sometimes you see people making a head like a random line on the clay. That is not correct. Hair has to be represented like a volume, and then you play with your personality, doing the movement with a line. Also, if you make a line, remember always, like Antonio Canova, the great master of the 19th century, used to say, never make three of the same line together. I hope this was useful. Thank you, everybody.